After 5 years of trading options, I finally stopped overcomplicating everything. And the moment I did, I started making more money in 45 minutes than most people do all day. I call this the pocket strategy. And the reason it works is embarrassingly simple. You're only trading in one specific 45-minute window, and you're not watching screens all day long. No stress, no second guessing, just calls and puts in and out. And your trading day is completely done by 10:15 a.m. Eastern time. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step system I use every single morning to see such great return. And then I'm going to show you a live session, completely unedited, so you can see exactly how it works in real time. And look, if you ever felt that the market's moving against you every single time, or like every strategy you try is way too complicated, too risky, or just doesn't fit your personal life, stay with me, because what I'm about to show you is going to change the way you look at trading forever. Now, before I break down this exact system, I want you to pay attention to the live session at the end, because that's where this really clicks, and most people won't believe it until they see it in real time. So to understand this very simple concept, we always start at the daily. Why? Because the daily gives us the fuel that we need to get the move on the intraday time frame. So in this case, we're looking at PLTR here today. It had a nice resistance level at 145.80, and the next resistance level was at 165.20. Now, there are a few moving averages in the way, so we're not going to neglect that. We know that this 50 moving average sitting close to 158 is going to be in the way. So what does this tell us? This tells us from 145.80 all the way up to this 158, there is not going to be any resistance. We can make a very nice fluid move into that area. So we make note of that, and we understand what we need to focus on. So this is March 3rd. The following day, which would be March 4th, we would come in and look at the pre-market session. In this case, we have our pre-market session. We can see yesterday closed at around 147, obviously above our 145.80 level, which was the daily level we noticed. But we're also seeing that we're putting in a solid level of resistance right here at 150. And remember, when we were looking at the daily had room all the way up to this 157. So there's lots more room for us to move. Even if price is sitting at 150, we still have another $7 to $8 that we can push the stock. So before the market even opens, I know that the daily is in a bullish time frame. The daily looks bullish. The pre-market is sitting nice resistance right at that psychological round number at 150. And I'm looking for a break out over that 150 level. And this is the exact trade we took here. Once price got above that 150 level when the market opened, that's exactly where I entered the trade right here. You can see we broke above the 150. The game plan is triggering. And as soon as price moved, take a look at what happens next. We get the retest. So if you failed the entry level right here at the break of 150, you can always take the retest. And the retest gives us a significant move to the upside. Right? We got to move all the way up to 154, giving us a total move of around 3% on a weekly option contract that's going to pay you nearly 100% in the underlying. So that's why we look for these pockets. We look for these big thrusts up, and you can see as the days went on, this continued to move higher. Now, if I show you the daily chart on PLTR now, take a look at what's happened. The move happened. We got a little bit of resistance at the 50 moving average, and we continued moving up into that 160, which eventually will probably tag the 165. Now let's go ahead and dive into the live session so you can see exactly what took place. All right, first one on the list is PLTR. So PLTR popping its head above this 145.90 and looking pretty good in the pre-market. Obviously seeing some resistance at the 150 level, psychological whole number. But if we can get back above this, we should be able to make a run to at least on the daily. We have room to 159, which is the 50 moving average right there. Intraday, obviously you have an intraday pivot at 153, but the idea here is you have that big pocket on the daily that you can move up towards 150 psychological whole number here. You break that, we're pretty close to the trigger right now. So if it breaks, looking to get in and go up towards that 153 level. Okay, PLTR, pretty simple. Keep an eye on PLTR here, see if we can pop up towards that 150. I'm gonna try PLTR here. Holding up really nice. Market looks okay as well. We're battling here on PLTR, but slowly moving up. Need a second strong candle here, and then we can kind of get moving. But if we wake out, get a little defensive there on it. Nice move, PLTR. Come on, a little bit more. Don't yank now. You guys should have well over 20% here on PLTR now. Dailies open up. It's got room to 153 here. Let's see if we can get a strong candle. Definitely a little bit of relative strength there on PLTR as well. Trying to be a little patient with this. See if we can get her to go. It's Wednesday. Got some premium love. Come on, PLTR. Let's go. Sheesh. I'm out. Build. Tell you guys, put your orders out of the ass. You get good fills on the pushes. So that's the pocket strategy. In and out of the market by 10:15 a.m. every single day. And in that example, I was done trading in at least 12 minutes of the market open. Now, here's the thing. What you just watched took me years to figure out. I went through a dozen of strategies. I lost so much money in the market. And I did all this trying to find something that fits my lifestyle. And this is what actually works. So if this resonates with you, and if you're watching this saying this is exactly what I was looking for, click the link down below, fill out my quick questionnaire, and I'll reach out to you personally. And if you want to see exactly how I structure my mornings to pull consistent profits from the market every single week, that video is right here. Watch it next, and I'll see you right there.